Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Mac with Time Machine to external drive, complete guide step by. Begin by connecting your external drive to your Mac. Make sure the external drive is formatted for Mac OS. To format the drive, open Disk Utility from the Applications folder. Select the external drive from the list on the left. Click on the Erase button at the top of the Disk Utility window. Choose Mac OS Extended, Journaled, from the Format drop-down menu. Label the drive as Time Machine or any name you prefer. Click Erase to format the drive. Once formatting is complete, close Disk Utility. Open System Preferences from the Apple menu at the top. Click on Time Machine in the System Preferences window. Toggle the Time Machine switch to On. Click on Select Backup Disk. Choose your external drive from the list and click Use Disk. If prompted, confirm your choice. You can also enable the option to encrypt your backup for additional security. Time Machine will now prepare for the first backup. This initial backup may take some time, depending on the amount of data on your Mac. You can check the progress in the Time Machine Preferences window. Once the backup is complete, Time Machine will automatically backup your files every hour. You can access previous backups by clicking on the Time Machine icon in the menu bar. Select Enter Time Machine to view and restore files from earlier backups. To ensure your backups are successful, regularly check the Time Machine preferences. If you ever want to exclude certain files or folders, click on Options in the Time Machine preferences. Add any files or folders you wish to exclude from future backups. Remember to keep your external drive connected for regular backups. With these steps, your data will be safely backed up using Time Machine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.